Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a haul. A haul. I am here with the craz zine collab hosted by Tell Him Thank You Tina here on the YT. And you will see the links to the ladies that are in the collab listed below in the box that says show me more. And if you're not familiar with the zine is short for magazine. And this is typically used in business as like an introductory pocket type of marketing piece to use to market, it could be a restaurant, be marketing different types of businesses. And that's where the concept came from. They used an 8.5 piece of paper, folded up and made it into a booklet rather. And they used to call it a zine for a magazine for short, like a sample of it. Anyway, so of course, us crafty people, we decided to adopt it and make it a craft version. And Tina did not give us any restrictions. We can make our own zine, whatever we like. So it's pretty fun making them. I was like stuck trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I just kind of made it in layers and it just kind of came together at the last minute. But what I did was, this is a piece of copy paper, so it's kind of thin, but I took some of my LOL Hobby Lobby washi tape and some other washi tape, and I layered the whole paper in different sections with different washi tapes, probably about 30 different washi tapes. And then the colors were a little bright, so I decided to just so to tone the colors down to make them more uniform to match. Then I sprayed it with 4 different color shines by Heidi Swap. Then I took a big block stamp of the earth, and then I used a little roller stamp, just made some little background. I'm stamping very light in the background. Then I added the stickers and the sequins, and then my grandson came in the room and he was making a Star Wars cardboard box thing into whatever you call them, creatures, whatever. And anyway, so he was trying to cut an armhole in it and trying to make this chest thing, whatever. So when he was ripping the cardboard, I was trying to carry it. So I can put that up there for some texture. So I put some pieces in afterwards, so they're kind of shoved in after. But anyway, so it kind of came out kind of cute. I think it just added some extra dimension. And so this is my actual zine for the month of August. So let me show you what it looks like put together. It's a little bulky. So I think I need to turn it. And that says hello. And I'm not sure the orientation, so just in case, I'm going to do it both ways. Because my computer is just, my phone is just, I can't take it. It's getting on my nerves. So, like I said, these are dollar store stickers. The dimensional ones. On the inside, and this is the dollar store stickers too, it says you are beautiful and so fun. So you can see those. And again, I'm going to flip it just in case, because I got to get the video up tomorrow, and I ain't got time to keep redoing this video when it's already like the 5th time. So I'm going to flip it this way. It says a wonderful trip, and it's so warm. And I will show it this way. And then I flip it again, and that's party and amazing. And so the same technique was done on every single page. And then the last page says, it's a wonderful day. And again, I'm not sure which is the orientation. So I did it both ways, so hopefully you'll be able to see it. So that is my zine. And so the other thing about zines is that after you make them, typically you share them with someone, or you can keep them for yourself. And the easiest way to cut, a lot of people can get confused about cutting it, but if you fold it this way, and then just cut the first section, it's easier. That's how to do it, to cut it. Just fold it in half, and so boom. Then you gotta know how to, then you'll be able to fold it. Then it comes out like this. You make that mouth, make that mouth to fall down. So when you're making it, you got to fold it a couple of different ways to make your paper malleable. But anyway, so what you do is you want to swap it with somebody. And I go get mine's copied instead of doing it on my copy at home. I do it at Office Max, and they use it on magazine quality paper, so it's a little glossy. And the only thing is it gives me a white border, but I like the color. My internet, everything is so temperamental here. Oh, you just don't know. When I say the struggle is real, woo, to get a video, this little 5-minute video gonna probably take me God knows how long. I mean, it's just so time consuming. And then other days I can get it up in 5, then maybe I ain't never gotten it up in 5 minutes, maybe like 30 minutes. And other days it's 5 hours. It's just, it's feast or famine. So this is the copy of it. And then, so you can see how this is flat, but it can show you. So I'm gonna do it both ways again. So again, this is facing me. Hello. And out that way. Sorry about the little glare. Like, and then you open it up. I'm gonna do it this way. Hopefully you can see it. And then we're gonna flip to the next page. So you should have 8 pages. And for people who are afraid to do ATCs or things like that, this, or you know, this kind of gets you an image similar to the size, a little bigger than a pocket letter, about the same width but a little taller. But if you can do pocket letters, you can make a zine. If you can do ATCs, you can make a zine. They're basically the same. This is just connected. Just like the pocket letters, nothing but 9 ATCs. And a lot of people say, I can't do an ATC. I'm like, you do pocket letters, you can do an ATC. They're the same exact thing. It's just that what you tell yourself about it. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribe. And please check out the ladies below. And thank you to all my new subscribers as well. And you guys have a wonderful day. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.